Order up.
At the beginning of the school year, Megan Moore, our director at Child Nutrition, emailed me asking if I would like to have my students come up with a lunch item that would be presented at their food tour. So to figure out which kid would be serving or creating whatever dish, I turned it into a competition. Both of my level 2 classes had to work within a group to create a lunch item that met the criteria for child nutrition. So our chicken buffalo sliders won our taste testing.
It was pretty stressful at first, knowing that we had to serve about 200 kids, but once we got through it, it was like easy and smooth, and we just did great.
To me, I guess it feels a little surreal because I was never expected to have this opportunity, and I'm very grateful.
I feel very grateful, and I just wouldn't expect us to have a food on the menu.
I am so excited that our students get to be represented across the district and have a dish on the menu.
But I think we have Miss Vegeta to thank, because without her, we would not have been able to do that.
Yeah, we'll like to thank Miss Vegeta.
So whether you're an elementary student, junior high, or high school, you have the opportunity to taste test and eat their buffalo chicken sliders.
We hope you enjoy our buffalo chicken sliders
From Centennial High School, and thank you for this amazing opportunity.
Thank you.